Switching from Verizon to Total Wireless is streamlined due to their shared network. First, ensure your Verizon account is active with no outstanding balance. To port your number, choose a Total Wireless plan and purchase a SIM kit or opt for eSIM. Start the porting process on the Total Wireless website or app, providing your Verizon account number, PIN, and billing zip code. Activate the SIM in your device. Porting typically takes 2 to 4 hours. Once ported, your Verizon service will be automatically canceled. For eSIM setup, confirm your device is compatible, then select Activate eSIM in the Total Wireless app and enter your details. A profile will download wirelessly, allowing you to set Total Wireless as your primary line. As of late 2025, promotions include free porting and bonus data for Verizon switchers. APN, or Access Point Name, settings ensure your data routes correctly through Total Wireless network. In most cases, these settings are pushed automatically via over-the-air updates, eliminating the need for manual input. If manual configuration is required, navigate to your phone's settings under Mobile Data, then Mobile Data Network, and enter the specific APN details. Total Wireless for the APN field, leave username and password blank. Set MMSC to the provided URL and MMS proxy as specified. Save the changes and restart your device to apply them. Before switching, consider these important points. Back up your device to protect your data. Check Total Wireless coverage map to ensure service in your area. Be prepared for a brief service outage during the porting process. The provider offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. Ensure your phone is unlocked, as Verizon devices typically unlock after 60 days of service. Finally, porting may encounter errors if there are outstanding balances on your Verizon account.